Alright guys, I've got an iPhone 15 Pro and I bought this cheap case. This is an ESR FlickStand Case. This is clear and it was like 10 bucks. So we're gonna pop this on and see how it feels. Alright, you get some cards. Unleash the full power of MagSafe. Seems like some warranty stuff. Okay. Tapping too hard may knock phone over. Yeah. Okay. Alright, another unleash the full power of MagSafe. Thank you. Please do not force the stand too far. It opens to a maximum of 65 degrees. Kickstand feels pretty good. You can't expect the world out of it, you know? Like you want it to be flush and not heavy, so. I don't know, I think it feels pretty good. So obviously it's MagSafe. Action button, volume, power, charging, speakers. It's got some little ribbing on the corners, and this might be for like a lanyard on the side. Cut out there, bottom left corner. Then it's got a raised camera guard, they're calling it. It is raised. My setup is a tempered glass screen protector, this case, and then I went with the individual camera lens protectors for each. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so the buttons are the hardest thing to overcome, but solid. Nice and tight, feels good. So it is raised enough on around the bezels that it sort of makes up for my screen protector not coming all the way to the edge. So that should give me enough protection there to where I'm not scratching the edge of the phone screen. Here's the bottom. It's good alignment. Check the buttons. Wake, sleep, up, down volume, and ring silent, or the action button. Here's the back, so it clears the individual camera lenses. I didn't get the full plateau lens cover because I wasn't sure about the clearance. Alright, and the kickstand. So the kickstand comes out one way and you can rest it. So you can rest it in portrait or landscape. So I would never personally rest my phone like this. I mean, I get why people do it or whatever in the kitchen and stuff, but like I wouldn't. Like it's too dicey, so. But here's the amount of give. I'm a landscape kind of guy, so on its side, you know, the hinge is on its edge, so there isn't really any play at all, so it's much stronger, obviously. Nice and clear. Don't think it has like anti-yellowing or whatever, so it'll probably get yellow, but yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, like I said, not sponsored. First time using it. I'm happy so far. So please subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see. Peace.